in this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for social media planning. Now, Poppy AI is a great visual board that you can share with teammates when you are going to do brainstorming for your social media campaigns. So what do I mean by that? You can create groups, right? And you can categorize your materials into groups. So maybe group one would be your media, audio files, videos, photo, images, everything. Group two can be your URL links. Group three can be your brand voice or brand, everything about your brand. So everything is uploaded here and drag and dropped here. And then just have, a Poppy chat and connect everything here. And then you can, with other people, other teammates, have the Poppy chat AI come up with ideas of come up with actual content for you and your social media marketing endeavors, right? Or it's actually better, especially if you're new, is just to instead of starting from scratch, you want to go back to your dashboard, and then here on your dashboard, your left hand side, it says all boards, start templates. Click on templates, and just look for an already existing social media template here for you. So if you look around here, so create viral reels and TikTok content, that's one. Create viral Facebook ads, that's two, right? So there's a lot of options here that you can use for your social media. YouTube brainstorm system template. There's a lot here, right? So all you need to do, social media distribution OS. So for this, for copywriting, brand strategy, voice clone. So there's a lot of things here that you can use. Just look for one that might suit for your needs, right? So for example, we want to use, let's just use the YouTube one, right? So YouTube viral generator, click on this, right? And it's going to show you the template, right? But if you see here on the upper right corner, it says template board view only. So this is going to be what the board is going to be like. This is going to be for your social media marketing, right? If you want to use this and you're like, okay, this is what we're going to use, we're just going to customize it the way we want it to, click use template over here, and it's going to create a new board that has this as a copy, so that once it loads up like this, you can just, zoom in and you can just swap everything here, right? If you want to remove these and upload your stuff, you can actually go zoom in even more to see your voice, my voice. You can just change everything. So this is, you can swap this out to your own voice. So again, you can just customize everything for your own needs and for your own brand. And you're going to save a lot of time. You're going to save a lot of energy, a lot of stress, because you already have something that is preset for you. And again, like what I said, you can customize it to your delight, right? So that's how you do it. If you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.